Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select Bluetooth. Okay, then you can select your connected device. Here is my OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z2. Just open it. Then you can see here there is media audio is turned off. Just turn this one to enable media sounds on your Bluetooth headset. I mean songs, videos, something, any sound like YouTube applications or Spotify, any application. If you must turn on the media audio to hear the music on your Bluetooth headset. So this is the method to fix your media volume, media sounds not on your Bluetooth headsets. Okay guys, it's very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.